Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azri Izami bin Damansa. I will present Chapter 2, 2.0 Literature Review. 2.1 Introduction. The chapter reviews the attitudes toward cataloging and classification. It is organized into 5 main sections. The first section outlines the content of the chapter. The second section elaborates the cataloging and classification. The third section reviews the literature about the cataloging theory versus cataloging practice. Fourth section reviews the cataloging in digital era. Fifth section reviews the literature of cataloging and classification education, a global overview. The sixth section reviews the literature about the attitude towards cataloging and classification course. The last section concludes the chapter. 2.2 Cataloging and Classification. This section, we will discuss about what experts think about cataloging and classification definition. Cataloging is an essential process in any library or information center in order to provide information access to all learning resources to library patrons. All careers in librarianship include work in cataloging, which is always understood to be a major part of library function. Markham 2006. Next, Clark 1993 stat, as cited by the Boy 2001, convey that cataloging is one of the primary functions of librarianship. It is the core of the profession, the cohesive force that binds the library into a unified whole. Since cataloging and classification focus on the intelligibility of bibliographic record and the findability of material, a study of cataloging is beneficial to the success of every library function. 2.3 Cataloging Theory versus Cataloging Practice. This section, we will discuss the difference between cataloging theory and cataloging practice based on expert opinion. According to the 1921 Williamson report, an influential report of library training school by librarian Charles Williamson, one school year require 105 hours of study in cataloging while another require only 35, and this did not include study of classification, which Williamson counts separately. 2.4 Cataloging in Digital Era. This section, we will discuss about the transformation of cataloging into digital. The transformation of cataloging from the traditional to the electronic environment has been one of the leading challenges faced by libraries in organizing information resources during the past 50 years. Coyle and Hillman, 2007. Gorman 1998 indicate that with the explosion of digital format and the internet, the treatment of non-book format using the model of book cataloging will become less useful by the end of the 20th century. 2.5 Cataloging and Classification Education, a global overview. This section, we will discuss about expert opinion about cataloging and classification education around the world. Library and Information Science (LIS) scholars globally have shown an interest in cataloging and classification education with a special focus on the curriculum. Taniguchi, 2005, found that in Japan, there are very few universities and colleges that teach cataloging and classification because the library and information science profession is not taken seriously by Japanese society. 2.6 Previous studies of attitudes toward cataloging and classification course. This section, we will discuss about expert finding on previous study about student attitudes toward cataloging and classification course. The perception of library and information science undergraduates towards cataloging and classification entails their feeling or view toward cataloging and classification as a course. Abby Wallet, 2010, report that despite the characteristics of cataloging and classification which serve as pointer to information resource, majority of library and information science undergraduates have negative attitude towards the study of cataloging and classification as well as the use of library catalog. 2.7 Chapter Summary. This chapter reviews the attitudes toward cataloging and classification and its related empirical studies. It also addresses the overall overview about cataloging and classification education, separate study about the cataloging theory versus cataloging practice, as well as the study discussed about cataloging and classification education, a global overview, and cataloging in digital era are also evaluated.